Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to cross-play Red Dead Redemption Online between PC and PS5, and this is something many players ask about. As of now, Red Dead Online does not support crossplay between PC and PlayStation 5. This means PC players cannot join online sessions, missions, or free roam activities with PS5 players. Rockstar Games has designed Red Dead Online to keep each platform on separate servers. PC users can only play with other PC players, while PS5 players are limited to PlayStation lobbies. Even if both accounts are linked through Rockstar Social Club, cross-platform gameplay is not enabled. There is no in-game option, external tool, or legitimate workaround that allows PC and PS5 players to play together. Any videos claiming crossplay is possible are misleading. To play together, everyone must use the same platform. Until Rockstar officially adds crossplay support, PC and PS5 remain completely separate in Red Dead Online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.